Hi, this is Phil. I'm here to show you the field code numbering system. I'm going to go ahead and click on it the very first time and kind of show you what it's about. This macro is based on three types of things that you do daily. One would be no formatting, and pretty much it doesn't put in the tab or anything after that. So you would have to put in the tab, but it will just follow whatever formatting you use. Then after that, we do the first line indent and then the total indent. If I go ahead and do the first line indent, it will go ahead and put in the number. Just like I asked, I'll go ahead and bang on the keys like I usually do, and you can see how that indent happens. Now the shortcut key for this macro here is Alt L. In Word 10 or the other Word versions, they don't have the same way to do things anymore. So I still have to figure out how to put it on the ribbon and a whole lot of other things. I just know all my macros work, and thank goodness they do, because 10 is a mess, and I'm going to be converting over to there shortly. But for right now, we'll go ahead and add another number, and you can see how it automatically numbers. And I go Alt L, and you can see how easily you can do on different paragraphs and stuff. Then you can change your levels, and it's just like the good old WordPerfect days, or even heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, where you go ahead and this would be the paragraph formatting, the 1, the A, and it also adjusts for the indent. So when I click OK here, as you can see, this is actually a very cool macro. You can change your formatting on the fly. You could also restart with this little update right here, and it will go ahead and restart your numbers. And Alt L. So that's pretty much it in the bag. If I hit on indent, it will go ahead and indent. That's a pretty cool one. This macro is used for a lot of things. Mainly in that environment that we were doing it was used for enclosures and things that were exhibits and other things that were built into the documents, because we were actually converting thousands and thousands of documents, and we couldn't split any of the things up because that's where they were stacked in WordPerfect. So we came up with a way to use field code numbering, and this was the result. It actually stayed away from restarting and everything else that you would do for styles if you try to use other galleries and things like that. It just gets totally confused. So this is a basic way to numbering. The only problem with it is that field code numbering, it seems like it's very difficult for the normal user, and well, geez, very difficult for me. I have to look it up every single time I had ever used it. So it's not a thing that you would use every day, but it's something that you would use, and when you need it, you need it. And all this is just taking their coding and kind of just putting it all together in an easy to use menu. I hope you like it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.